Hello my dear viewers, I'm Mario. I'm European medical expert in 26 years working with the patient all around the world. In today's video I'm going to give you explanation how you can remove age skin spots using 3 natural recipes that help a lot of my patients, that you can remove in the safe and natural way all those age skin spots. My first recipe is going to be baking soda, lemon juice and the olive oil. This recipe is best suited for the thicker skin and the clearly visible age spots, and it should never be used on very sensitive areas or around the eyes. To prepare this mixture, 2 small tablespoons of baking soda are placed in the small bowl and combined with 1 small spoon of extra virgin olive oil, which helps protect the skin from excessive dryness. 1 small tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice is then added to create a soft paste, and if needed, a few extra drops of lemon juice can be used to adjust the texture. This mixture is gently applied on the age spots, left on the skin for about 15 minutes, and then rinse thoroughly with the lukewarm water. After application, the skin should be gently dried and left without additional products. This recipe is typically used once per day for the period of 20 to 30 days. And the most important thing that you need to remember about all my recipe is going to be you cannot use them months and months ahead. Of course, there is a period that you can use them like 30 days in a row with 30 days rest period, and it's going to be very helpful for your age skin spots. My second recommendation is going to be baking soda, orange juice and jojoba oil. This combination is milder and more suitable for sensitive or thinner skin, particularly on the face. 1 tablespoon of baking soda is mixed with 1 tablespoon of cold-pressed jojoba oil, which is closely mimic the skin natural oils and help maintain balance. 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed orange juice is added to the mixture, and everything is stirred until smooth, creamy and consistently is achieved. This paste is applied carefully under areas with age spots, then left on skin for up 20 minutes and then rinsed with the lukewarm water. This recipe is often used every other day rather than daily, as a gentle and consistent application provides better long-term skin tolerance and gradual improvement. And my recommendation with all those recipes, you need a couple more very important information. One is going to be for the skin, especially after age of 50, you will need every day good quality vitamin C. And of course, second thing is also going to be important, is going to be zinc. Vitamin C and zinc you can use them in the good quality supplements, or even better, you'll find good quality food each day. If you have age skin spots, vitamin C and the zinc is the most important how you can remove all those age skin spots, of course with all my recommendation. And my third recommendation is going to be baking soda and emu oil. This recipe is considered the most nourishing option, and it's particularly suitable for mature, dry and delicate skin. 1 small tablespoon of baking soda is combined with 1 small tablespoon of emu oil until a smooth mixture is formed. Emu oil is valued for its ability to penetrate deeper layers of the skin and support regeneration, making it useful for the long-standing age spots. The mixture is applied directly to the spots, left on the skin for about 20 minutes, and then removed with the warm water. After use, the skin should be allowed to rest without applying other cosmetics. This recipe is commonly used in the evening, giving the skin time to recover overnight, and generally applied once a day in the short treatment cycles. This is unbelievably important. If you never heard about emu oil, you can easily buy them on the internet healthy store. And this is three recipe that really helped all of my patients. As I said it before, the key information is going to be use them correctly, not every day, not for the months, not for the whole year, and with the other combination like most important minerals and vitamins remedies will be a lot helpful. In my clinical practice, age spots are never addressed in isolation. They are evaluated alongside nutrition, blood sugar regulation, oxidative stress, liver function, and the long-term sun exposure history. When those factors are approached together, skin improvement is more stable and long-lasting. Over the years, I have worked with the individuals from different countries using structured, natural protocols tailored to each person's needs. For those who prefer to learn a lot at their own pace, those principles and practical approaches are explained in detail in my books of natural remedies. Of course, everyone who knows me already knows I have written 4 books about nutrition and natural remedies, and when I work with my patient, the most important things is going to be nutrition, a healthy way of living, natural remedies, and similar kind of protocols that in a safe and natural way remove any kind of diseases. But for today's show, the most important thing is going to be easy and a safe way to remove age skin spots. Thank you for following my viewers. In the coming months, there's going to be a lot more explanation about age skin spots, about wrinkles, natural remedies. Stay with me. Thank you for following me. God bless you. God bless your family. See you in the next video. Bye.